Hey guys, welcome back to the video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, you might have noticed that ever since the Fed meeting, the crypto market's not able to find its bottom. Every single time it tries to make a little recovery, there is a stronger pullback. But where are we going to be finding the support? There is a lot of anticipation that Bitcoin will be finding its support close to 92,000 and then it will be able to make a recovery. But something else that's actually blown a lot of people out of the water is Dogecoin. It's fallen under 30 cents, which has set a lot of panic in the meme coin category. If you look at overall memes, you guys know that all of them are down about 18 to 20%. This is probably a perfect time to buy into your favorite coin. Let me tell you one that I have been paying attention to, and that is Street Pepe. Just to give you perspective, this token is in pre-sale stage, so even though the market decided to pull back so much, there's nothing going to happen to this price or this token's price because the token's not even trading right now, and the money that they have raised, which is close to 32.5 million, that's a huge project already before it went live, is going to be still stored and it's going to hold its value. Keep in mind the token price is going to increase in another 2 hours. Right now the price is sitting at 1 Pepe, or Street Pepe, is equal to 0.003. And another thing is Pepe meme. You guys know there is a lot of tokens which are being created around this specific meme. The reason for this is right now there is a lot of hype around it. Just to give you perspective, this team that's actually building this token, which is Street Pepe, also created another Pepe meme, which was Unchained Pepe. You guys know that became huge. About 2 weeks ago, it started on a market cap close to 400 million. This one is only sitting at 32 million. Again, I do recommend that you do your own research. This is not financial advice, but it's really interesting how this narrative is going to play out. The audit has been completed and there is no problem. There is no owner mint, there is no blacklist, honeypot, or anything that's going to get you to lose money. They have a Twitter account with over 25,000 followers and actually a very popular army, because 18 hours ago a post was made. It has close to 15,000 views. Their Telegram has about 10,000 subscribers, so they are sticking very close. If you want to talk about their idea in terms of what they want to do with this token, well, first of all, catch the whales. They do not want the whales to be manipulating the market, and they want to ensure that all the little guys are able to, make sure that they're able to make profit. The rich frog march together, and that's exactly what we're seeing right now. On the other end, the frog take over, and once they have their takeover, there will be a lot of money that will be flowing through and a fast lane to fortune. And you can see that if you do want to buy it, it's actually very simple. Let me just tell you the steps. The link will be in the description. It will make you join this website. When you're on this website, you can buy with your card or buy with crypto. Let's say you decide to select crypto, just pretty much connect your wallet, and then you guys will be able to decide on how much USDT or any crypto you would like to allocate to this specific project. Once it's purchased, you just need to wait for it to go live and you guys will be able to make good profit. Now keep in mind, in the time you're waiting, you don't have to just sit there do nothing. You guys will be getting a 40% reward, so that's a good deal, as you don't want your money just sitting there, rather you want it to be also making profit. How do you know that Pepe is safe? Pepe token is already integrated with the best wallet, the trusted self-custody crypto app with more than 100k monthly active users. The Pepe token site is built by a huge Pepe fan using cutting-edge technology to facilitate the token swap, and you can stake securely. Now, when it's staked securely, you guys know that there's definitely bigger things that can happen with this token. And if you do decide to fund the wallet, pretty much you can use the Ethereum, BNB, or USDT. The total supply is sitting just over 200 billion. And let me just tell you, there is a lot of things which are happening in the background of this token. The best thing is the team has a lot of idea in terms of what they want to do. So the community choose rich together. Token inside, trade like a pro, and if you want to join the army, simply join it, and then you guys will be able to simply buy the token that you personally want. Honestly, if you ask me, there is definitely good things to happen, but do your own research before you put your money into anything. But I would recommend that you look into this. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you do want to purchase it, the link will be in the description. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you all have a wonderful day ahead. Be a little careful, especially if you are leverage trading, because you can end up losing a little bit of money, which is because the market is so volatile right now. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys soon.